Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I will show how to make this endless animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, vectors from freepik.com. After the finished video, I will share project files and download links. So first, let's make step-by-step animation for big scene. Let's select this feather eyes and let's zoom to here. Okay, press S and click this icon, make scale keyframe, and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, change scale 5, go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3, change 100. So select these keyframes and make easies. Then I want to change composition time duration. Let's go to 8 seconds. Or go to here 7 seconds. Let's click time duration and right here 0 and here 7. Click OK and press N for select work area. Right mouse, click trim, come to work area. Okay, so select these as keyframes, move to right and Ctrl C. Go to here, Ctrl V for random eye blink animation. Okay, then select these feather modes and press S. Go to here again, make someone for this layer, click this scale icon, make scale keyframe, go to 3 keyframe, or let's go to for this 6 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change scale like this, and go to 6 keyframe again, change scale like this. Okay, select keyframes, make easies. Okay, select these keyframes, let's move to left and go to here, hold Alt, click this time icon for open expression panel and go to play button, property, and let's use loop out duration. For down expression, click this empty area and let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close the expression and select these modes and eyes. Let's link to feather head. Select head, let's go to solo and select pan behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and unsolo. And let's link to head to body. And press R, let's see. Let's go to first second and let's use expression. Hold Alt, click again here. And let's write here wiggle expression. Wiggle 1, 7. And click here for down expression. Let's see. Okay, that's good. This is random wiggle rotation. Okay, not bad. So in this time, select this feather hand main. Let's go to solo. Okay, select pan behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool, and let's press R. Let's make someone for this layer. Hold Alt, click this time rotation. And right here wiggle 1, 6. Click this empty area for down expression. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So go to first second and select this vine. Let's search which layer this. Okay, select this layer, feather drink, and let's link to feather hand main. Let's see. Okay, very nice. And in this time, select this table. Let's see which layer this. Okay, let's lock layer and select this feather hand left. Go to solo and select pan behind. Move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and let's press R. Again, hold Alt, click this time icon. Right here wiggle and 1, 3. Okay, this is enough for this wiggle. Let's see. Nice. Let's unsolo. Okay, so this is not good for me. Let's hold Alt, click this rotation for close expression, and I will steal this static hand. Let's lock layer. Okay, let's select this feather body. Go to solo and select pan behind. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. And let's select this feather hand main. Let's link to feather body. Select feather body, press R And again make someone. Hold Alt, click this time rotation. Right here wiggle. And 1 and 4. Click here, let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's try select this father hand back and press R, chain rotation like this. Okay, and let's link to father body. Let's see. Okay, and let's make expression for this. Hold Alt, click this time rotation. Right here wiggle. And 1, 2. Let's see. Okay, not bad for me. So I will use some techniques and some expressions for other characters. Let's do it. Okay, so friends, that's all, and this is very easy way for make big animation scenes. And so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.